Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to access your WordPress dashboard. To begin, simply open your web browser and type in your website's domain name, followed by a / and then wp-admin. For example, if your site is example.com, you would go to example.com/wp-admin. This specific URL will take you directly to the login screen for your WordPress administration area, which is the gateway to managing all aspects of your website. Once you arrive at the login page, you will see two fields, one for your username or email address and another for your password. Carefully input the credentials you set up when you first installed WordPress. Remember, these are case-sensitive, so double-check your typing. After entering both pieces of information, click the Log In button. If your details are correct, you will be granted access to your site's backend. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your WordPress dashboard. This central hub provides a comprehensive overview of your website's activity and offers quick access to all administrative functions. On the left side, you will find a navigation menu with options like Posts, Pages, Appearance, Plugins, and Users. From here, you can create new content, customize your site's look, add new functionalities, and manage your website's users with ease. If you encounter any issues logging in, don't worry. A common solution is to use the Lost Your Password link located directly below the login form. This will guide you through resetting your password. Also, ensure your web browser is up to date and your internet connection is stable. For enhanced security, always use a strong, unique password and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection for your valuable website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.